Ferdy, we got your carburetors in. Um, First off, the box got tore to pieces. See the big holes in it? Looks like they chucked it out of the airplane after it got here, or off the boat, or used it as a boat anchor or something. This box is tore up. It's not your fault. It's bad shipping. The one carburetor, the fuel nuts busted off. We just opened this up just now. That's why it's sitting in the box. That there, I may be able to fix this piece and get you another piece here, but I'll have to work on it. So, as it looks like it's glued in there, and I may be able to get that out and get you a new one of these so that you'll be able to use your little small fitting here for your fuel line. The second carburetor has the chokes busted on it right here. Here's the other piece to it right here that got busted in shipping, and your vent tube. Now this vent tube doesn't really mean anything. It just matches this one here. With the air cleaner on, nobody will ever know. It doesn't affect the running of the vehicle or the carburetor. So I don't know what you want me to do with it. I can try to smooth it up and make it look as inconspicuous as possible. And probably the only person that would know it's there is probably me and you, because I told you. So when you get a chance, Ferdy, email me. I'm going to email you this link. Email me what you want me to do with that part. So just wanted to let you know, when we send them back, they'll be sent back individually in individual boxes to avoid this kind of damage. So, all right, well, at least we got them. And so we'll carry on with the business. Okay, bye-bye.